Yes, we're free. Finally, we're free from our bonds that kept us tied up for months due to COVID-19. This is the Siskiyou Sports Car Club season opener, about 3 months late, but we're rolling, and although with some cautions and restrictions. We hope to be back in a full group next month. We have a lot of great outlaw cars in the SSCC, and I'll show you a few of them, as well as my class-winning run in XP. Well, I was the only one in it, but by the way, this is a non-points event due to not having a full field. Well, some really awesome cars out this year, and of course, the crazy good ones that have been around for a while. Practice runs are free form. No one knows what the track layout will be until after practice is over. I usually run the enduro run around the outside at least once, since I know what my time should be, and I'll see if I'm close. The XP class fall enduro track record is set by another Outlaw 914 built and owned by Britton Smith, and that's blazing fast, and was the overall track record for quite a while.
All right, ready when you are, go.
Thank you.
Well, it was a crazy weekend for an opener. Thunderstorms with hail on Saturday and sunshine on Sunday. But we made it home with the car packed to the hilt. But next time, I hope to have a better solution. Thanks for watching. We have some exciting content coming up soon with some other outlaws. Stay safe, love your neighbors, and God bless. Bye for now.